How to make a custom donut chart in PowerPoint. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open PowerPoint on your device. Then, at the top, click on Insert. After you have clicked on Insert at the top, in here you'll find Charts. Click on Chart, which will open all these options. Click on Pie, and in here you'll find Donut. Click on it and press on OK at the bottom. After you have pressed on OK at the bottom, you'll find Donut on your page. At the top, you can edit what you want to write. If you want to delete, you can select and press on Delete on your keyboard, and the rows will be deleted. As you can see now, I have 2 only. After that, you can also change the color of it by clicking on the top. And if you double click on it, on the right side you'll find chart areas. You can fill it, add borders if you want. And this is how to make a custom donut chart in PowerPoint. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest the topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.